Hi everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I did this look using my Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. It's so pretty, right? And this is huge. It's like the size of my head or bigger. I did a really pretty look today. So before I get into the look, I want to show you the palette first. This is what it looks like. It's all velvet, so luxurious. So pretty, very Jeffree, very extra. And then when you open it, it has gorgeous shades. All these purples. So I'm gonna show you some swatches. And let's go.
This first shade is called Your Majesty. It's an ivory bone with a matte finish. Next shade is called Take the Crown. It's an icy lavender with a metallic finish. The next shade is called Deviant. It's a light lavender with a matte finish. Next is Beauty Sleep. It's a pink with gold reflex and a duochrome finish. And then we have Wet Jewel, which is a light pink with a wet metallic finish. Next is Royal Pain. It's a beautiful red mauve with a matte finish. Next is Dungeon. It is a dark plum with a matte finish. And then we have Scandal Water, which is a light violet with a matte finish. This is Sworn Enemy. It's a gold with green reflex and a duochrome finish. Pink Magic is a hot pink with a wet metallic finish. Bleeding Heart is a fire red with a metallic finish. Executioner is a black with purple pink reflex and a duochrome finish. High King is a berry purple with a matte finish. Vivid Mood is a bright lavender with a matte finish. Monarchy is a muted brown with a matte finish. Blood Queen is a vibrant eggplant with a matte finish. Next we have Violet Serpent, which is a teal with a matte finish. Last is Betrayal. It's a purple with gold reflex and a duochrome finish.
So that is the palette that we're going to use today. Are you excited? So if you want to see how I got this look or the palette in action, then just keep on watching.
I'll start with a clean face, of course, and clean hands. For today's look, I'm going to start with brows. I'm going to use my Morphe X Jeffree Star JS7 brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Medium Brown Brow Powder Duo. I'm just going to fill in my brows, not do much. I'm just following the natural shape of my brows. I'm still following the shape of my brows, but towards the ends or the tail of my brow, I like to extend it a little bit so that my brows look longer, if that makes sense. I think it frames my face a little bit better. So that's just what I like to do. Once I'm satisfied with that, I like to go in with my Kate eyebrow pencil. So I like my brows bolder. With just using powder, I can't really achieve that bold eyebrows. So that's why I like to go in with pencil as well. And then I'm just gonna do the same on my other brow. Both brows are done, but still not identical. My brows are done. I like to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is in the shade Vanilla. I'm going to use a flat brush to get some of the product and put it under my eyebrow. This will help intensify the shape of my eyebrow more. I like to go over with my beauty blender to make sure everything's blended out. I'm just gonna do the same on the other eye. I like to put on concealer on my lid as well. This will act as my primer. I'm just going to pack that on and blend it with my beauty blender. Once that is done, we are now ready for the Bloodlust palette. As you can see, I am very excited. This is one of my favorite palettes. So let's go, Jeffree! Every time I open this palette, I always get that wow factor. It's so pretty, I swear. I'm going to use this fluffy brush from Morphe, and I'm going to dip this into the shade Deviant. This is a light lavender color in matte, and I'm going to blend this all over my lid. And now, using a little pointed, little more precise fluffy brush, I'm going to dip into Vivid Moon. Vivid Moon is a bright lavender matte, so this will give me more depth. I will put this shade and focus it on the outer part of my eye. So here you see Vivid Moon really did give us the depth that we need. And I'm just gonna blend this some more. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to take my Morphe X Jeffree Star JS12 brush and I'm going to dip it into Blood Queen. Blood Queen is a vibrant eggplant matte shade, which is gonna give us more definition, more depth. And I'm going to focus this on my outer V. After that, I'm going to take the shade Pink Magic, which is a hot pink with a wet metallic finish, using my finger, and pack that on the outer half of my lid. I don't know if you can see it, but using this shade, I'm having a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. Next, I'm going to take Wet Jewel, which is light pink with a wet metallic finish. Pack this on using my finger on just the center part of my lid. Again, using my finger, I'm going to take the shade Take the Crown, which is an icy lavender with a metallic finish. I'm going to pack this on the inner part of my eye. That was a bit too much for my liking, so I'm going to fix that with a Q-tip. Once that is fixed, I'm going to take my Morphe X Jeffree Star JS13 brush instead, take that shade and put it on my inner corner. Now I'm going to take Wet Jewel again and continue patting this on the inner half of my lid. Once I get the intensity that I like, I'm going to proceed with the other eye. Now that my eyeshadow is done, I'm going to put on eyeliner using my Kate Super Sharp Eyeliner. So what I like to do is start with the wing first. And then I like to form a triangle and then fill that in. Next, I'll do the inner part, staying as close to the lash line as possible, and then work my way out and connect it to the wing. Once I like how my wing looks like, I'm going to proceed to the other eye. I couldn't get the wing to be exactly the same, but I'm okay with that. I think this still looks good. So I'll proceed. Using a flat packer brush, I'm going to take Your Majesty and use that to highlight my brow bone. Now, I'm going to curl my lashes and put mascara on. For my mascara, I'm going to use the Monsieur Big Mascara from Lancome. This is how it looks like. I like to start from the roots and then work my way out. So this is what our eye looks like. I'm now gonna clean all the fallout using a face wipe so I can proceed finishing the rest of my face. Now that my face is clean, I'm going to put on treatment lotion, eye cream, and my moisturizer. Since I'm staying home, I'm not gonna use any primer. I'll go in straight with my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. This is in the shade Vanilla. I'm going to use just this much and blend this with the damp beauty blender all over my face and my neck. Using the same concealer as earlier, I'm going to put this under my eyes, on my nose, on my chin, and on my forehead. And I'm going to blend this all in with a damp beauty blender. Now using a small brush, I'm going to dip in Vivid Moon and apply this under my bottom lash line. And now Blood Queen, but just focus it on the outer part. Now I'm going to set my face using MAC Cosmetics Patrick Star Set Powder. Using my Becca Sunlit Bronzer, I'm just gonna apply a little bronze on my face. For my blush, I'm going to use my Jouer Rose Gold Blush Duo. And then I'm going to buff Guerlain Meteorites all over my face. Using my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, I'm going to use this as highlight on the highest point of my cheek, on the bridge of my nose, and on my cupid's bow. And using Pat McGrath's Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil in Bare Rose, which I'm really happy about, I'm going to light my lips. I'm going to top that off with my L'Oreal Rouge Signature Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade 116. That completes this look. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below what you think about this look. Stay safe, everyone. Bye!